What's up everybody, welcome to a new video, and today we will take a look on Cardano because once again we are forming here pretty interesting trading setup that I want you to know about. So if you are interested about the exact trades that I'm planning to take here, of course if certain conditions are met, and also if you are interested about the exact price that I think Cardano is gonna hit in the upcoming pump, then definitely watch this video till the end. Before this video continues, I just want to let you know that this YouTube channel is directly connected with my Discord trading group. So if you want to know about the exact setups and exact trades that I'm taking, then definitely don't forget to join, and link to join is in the description or in the comments. Let's start today on the 4-hour chart. Here we are forming this falling wedge, and also you can see that we are forming here this bearish order block, which is between levels 0.9122 and 0.88658842, approximately something like that. Me personally, I am waiting here for a breakout and then a support confirmation to get into a long trade. Definitely do not buy the breakout itself because of this bearish order block. There is really high probability that the breakout can be just a fake out. But if we are gonna take liquidity above this resistance of this falling wedge and above this bearish order block, and after it we will do here a support confirmation, then this can be, in my opinion, really great long opportunity, and we will then see here another pump. So let's assume there will be a fake out with that support confirmation in this bullish order block, then it's okay to open here a long trade. Stop loss in this case you need to place under all of these lows, because if we are gonna break under them, of course it can be a liquidity grab, but also it can be another huge dump. So you don't want to hold this losing position longer than it's necessary, because the next good take profit targets will be to place it under this bullish order block, which will give you a potential stop loss around 20%, and that's really not great, because then you are not gonna have here a good risk reward ratio. So for example, place it on the level 0.8405, something like that. And if you, for example, don't want to watch these charts on your own and you want to copy my exact trades, then definitely don't forget to join my Discord trading group, where I am sharing them every single day. Link to join is in the description or in the comments. But let's now get back to this trade. My last take profit target, because this falling wedge is a really huge setup and there will be that support confirmation with the bearish order block, I want to place under $1.5 mark at least, which will give me a risk reward ratio around 10. I simply think that the next pump will be kinda higher. So for example, I will keep 7 to 10% of the entire trading position even after the last take profit target will be hit, but for the 90% of the trade, which is a majority, I want to do exactly this. So some of the profits I definitely want to take under the current high, which is on the level $1 mark, or it's slightly under $1 mark, which will be the next important psychological resistance. So this is absolutely perfect take profit target. Then some of the profits I want to take under this bearish order block area, which is between levels 1.131 and 1.067. So some profits I want to take under this, and also some profits I want to take above, because again, there can be just a liquidity grab and then the market can reverse back down. So for example, after you will take some of the profits on the third take profit target, move your stop loss, for example, to the first take profit target, something like that, so you can turn your profitable position into a loss. Then some of the profits I want to take above this next bearish order block, which is between levels 1.237 and 1.209. The reason why I am not taking some profits under is that we have this previous take profit target really close, and me personally, if we are gonna test this area, I simply think there will be again a potential liquidity grab. So I want to take some of the profits around the level approximately 1.24. Then you can keep the last take profit targets to the level 1.49, and if you want you can take some on 1.32, something like that. But keep in mind that every take profit target will slightly decrease your risk reward ratio, so that's why you don't want to have that much. So from the risk reward ratio 9, if you will take these 4 or 5 take profit targets, the risk reward ratio is gonna be 7, 6.5, something like that, which is, in my opinion, really great. And the second setup that I am currently watching here will be valid in case of a retest of this bullish order block, which is between levels 0.751 and 0.724. here you can trade it in like two ways, because if we are gonna test this area, it will be probably with a fast dump. So you can either place here a limit order on the like approximately 0.754, something like that, and simply, for example, like try to take the bottom because we are having here a huge support, or you can wait here for that liquidity grab and then a support confirmation to get into a long trade. And then your stop loss you need to place under the low that we will create during the fake out. And with the limit order, you can for example place it like under like this previous low, something like that, because if you are trying to catch the bottom in like a huge dump, which probably we will see a huge dump if we are gonna retest like this bullish order block again, you need to have a higher stop loss. So me personally, I think that the better setup will be to wait just for that liquidity grab and then a support confirmation. But also this can be just, for example, fast dump and we can be back up again. So yeah, you simply need to decide what setup will suit you best. And of course, you can, for example, trade it like that. You will place the limit order on that bullish order block, and then you will have really small stop loss, and you will, for example, risk like 0.5% for your trading capital. And if after, for example, this stop loss, there will be that liquidity grab with a support confirmation, you can open here another trade. This is really up to you. I hope like this is understandable. And if you, for example, as I said, want to know about the exact trades and you don't understand my strategy, then definitely it will be really helpful for you if you will decide to join my Discord trading group. And as I said, link to join is in the description or in the comments. And let's now take a look on the exact price that I think Cardano can hit in that upcoming pump. In the previous setup, I am speculating for that $1.5 mark with like 90% of my whole trading position. But me personally, I think that we can get really close to that $2 mark. So with that 10%, I will be speculating for like 9.5, 9.4, something like that. Because again, $2 mark will be next important psychological resistance. So you don't want to take your last take profit targets on that exact $2 level. If I'm gonna switch to a weekly time frame, we have still here like this bearish order block. So I think that in the upcoming bull market we can get much higher, but I simply think that there will be that pump close to the $2 mark, then we will go down again for like 1.2, 1.3, and then the pump can continue. You know, that market like is not going only up. So yeah, that's why I want to wait here that for that like $2 mark, then for some price reversal, and then for the next long trade. But I simply think that in the upcoming bull market, we can get close to the $4 mark. And definitely let me know in the comments what is the exact price that you think Cardano is gonna hit. We can definitely talk about it. So yeah, guys, this will be all from me for today. If you like my videos, I will be really happy if you consider subscribe to my YouTube channel so you wouldn't miss out on a new one. And yeah, I will see you in my next video. See ya.